Hello to the gamers. Of course, we're gonna be doing some Nerdle tonight. Let's try fixing that. No, that's not really what I should have done. Maybe this. Hope everybody's had a great week. I'm just gonna relax and do some math games. So today's Nerdle. Let's start off with something basic. Maybe addition and multiplication. 12 plus 4 times 3. 12 divided by 4 is 3, times 3 is 9. Okay, so it's definitely a double digit number. We didn't use division, so it's probably addition then addition then subtraction, or just 2-digit addition. We can try like 42 plus 19 is 51. 61? It's subtraction. Okay. There's only one 1. Let's try using some of the other numbers then. Let's go for 65 minus 21 is 44. So it ends in 4, and we do have a subtraction there. We've ran a lot of numbers through here, so I think we're going to start with 9. And then it's going to be either 4 or 6. It ends in 4. I'm going to say this is 6, this is 2. I'm going to say this is 14, and I'm going to say this is 8. Close, close, close. Then, if this can't be 6, 6 has to be one of these two. It makes the most sense if it's this. It has to end in 4. We've tried 2 and 6 here already, so this could end in 4. Do you know if we can have multiple 4s? No, we can't have multiple 4s. Next thing I'm thinking is this is 7, or this could be 7. This could be 0, and this could be 6. But we still need a 1 somewhere. I think this is most likely 6. This could be 16, and then this is 74. Damn. Okay, we can kind of just deduce. The 1 has to go here. 6 can't go here and can't go here, so 6 must go here. We still have a 2 to place. 2 can't go here, so 2 must go here. What does this give us? 7 goes here. That was way too close for comfort. I'm gonna be honest. I should have been thinking a little more. Never hurts to think. Let's do some micro. The micro is fun because you can kind of get it in like 1 or 2 tries, but it's also much easier. Make sure it's not scaled too high. There we go. It'll be a single digit. Let's do 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. It is a single digit. It's almost always there. So because of the setup of the micro, it always is going to give you the equal sign in the second to last position. So you really just need to solve for 4, and you always know where the operator is going to be. So kind of narrows it down quite a lot. Let's try for addition this time. 5 can't be here, maybe it's here. And this is 4, and this would be 1. Yeah, you really can just get these slam dunks. There's not that many options to choose from, so if you get... Alright, here we have the mini. I guess I zoomed in on these a little too much last time. Let's assume it's 2-digit and then multiplication, so we'll do 6 times 8, which is 48. No 8s, no 6. We do have a 4 somewhere. Let's assume 4 plus 9. Sorry about that. I don't know why my OBS keeps disconnecting. I should have looked into it last time. Okay, so we got a lot more. We do have addition. There's about 2 other spots the 4 could be, so let's try this spot. We know the 1 has to be here. And we have a bunch of other numbers we know nothing about. This could be 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. There we have it, folks. There we have it. Now let's go suffer and do the maxi. This one's going to take a little bit. Okay, what do we start with here? Let's assume it's 2 digits. I want to get rid of the parentheses, the squared, and the cubed, because they tend to be the most annoying. So let's do like 9 minus 6 squared. There's a little too much going on. Let's do 9 squared plus 2 squared. It's 85. Okay. Did not do the cubed. I should have done 2 cubed. Let's start with 2 cubed plus 440 minus 7. This is 48, this would be 41. Some good guesses, some really good guesses. We do have a cube in here. Oy vey. Okay. We do have the plus and we do have a minus. We have the equal sign in the right spot at least. Let's knock out 6 and 3 next, because I think that would give us the most information of what numbers we're working with. The cube has to be here. No, it does not make sense if it's there. This is probably where the cube is. So the cube could be here. And let's assume maybe we have a plus here. Plus 3 cubed. Let's do 4 plus 3 cubed minus, this is 31. 31 minus 16 is 15. We already have the, we have already used the 5, so it doesn't give us the most information. But we'll continue pondering. We'll continue pondering. We have the positions of the operators. Still don't know where the cubed goes. We know it can't go here, and it can't go here. It makes the most sense for it to be here. We know a 1 goes here, and there's only 1 1. We have all the numbers we will use here. 2 and 4 can't go here. Our other options are 3 and 9. We don't know anything about those yet, though. So 9 could go here. 2 could go here. 4 could go here, and this gives us what? We want it to be a double-digit answer. 4 cubed is... that's way too big of a number. This is probably... wait, it's not 1? Huh? Then this is probably 3 cubed. And this is also 3. 32... this would be 41 minus 9. It's definitely not a double-digit number that starts with 1. (32 minus 9 is... then 4 cubed. Wait, no, 3 cubed is 27. This does make sense. This would be 14. Okay. I'm pretty proud about that one. I usually don't get it that quickly. That was really good. The last time I did this, it was until the very last try for me to get the maxi. How long did that take me? Like 5 minutes? I'm gonna give myself a pat on the back for that. You won't see this in any other stream. You won't see people finish the maxi Nerdle in 5 minutes. Let's do the buy Nerdle. And also reduce the screen size. Usually a good start to the buy Nerdle is setting down the equal sign and doing two double digits, or you can do something like 1 plus 3 times 7. This is 22. Maybe 8. This is 33. Still not good. No, this is 25. Okay, so we have an equal sign on the first one. In the third to last spot. Alright, I'm gonna think about this while I chew on my peanut butter bar. Give me a second. It's very important to be well nourished as a person that likes math. You do not want to be malnourished and doing math. Biggest mistake of my life. Okay. So we know we have a plus and a multiplication. Huh? Can you have both? Oh, it's gonna be swapped. I'm thinking too small. I gotta think outside the box. Let's try single digit here. Let's try 8 here. This is 16 plus 3 is 19. Still no information gained on the top. I did accidentally get the first spot down here though. That's pretty cool. I want to try 3 in this spot next. So let's shift everything over. Let's put the 8 here. Let's put a 6 here. That's 48. Let's put the 2 here. This is 50. Oh, that doesn't really work out for me, huh? Let's do 4 times 8 is 32. This is 34. Okay, we figured out where the 2 goes. The 8 has to be somewhere back here. There's no 4, no 5. We don't know where 6 or 7 or 0 go, if we use them at all. Well, I'm gonna do the bottom one and try to use 6, 7, and 0. I think it's double digit subtraction, so let's do like 70 minus 36 is equal to 34. At least we know we don't use 0 in either. We don't use 6 in either. We're cutting it a little close on this one, aren't we? Excuse me. Hello, hello, welcome to the chat. I hope you've been having a great day. This is a game called Buy Nerdle, where we're trying to essentially do the Nerdle but with math, and we're trying to do 2 at the same time. Green means it's in the right spot, and purple means it's used in the equation, but it's not in the right spot. You have a lot of information in this top one, but still need to put some of the pieces together. We can try 8 here. We figured out where 2 goes. We still don't know where 3 goes. Probably one of these 2. Maybe this one. We have a 9. And some other number is doubled up. For this to start with 8, it would have to be a pretty hefty number. Like, this would have to be 9 times 9 or something, and this would be 8. And then this would be 3. I think this is the right answer. Okay, that makes sense. Hi, welcome to the chat. I hope you like math, because that's all I'm doing tonight. I have 2 chances to solve this bottom one now. Yeah, this is basically Wordle, but math. And it has varying difficulties. This is like, I wouldn't say this is the hardest one. There is one that is harder that I just finished doing. Oh, we're gonna get harder than this. Don't worry, don't worry. Ooh. So we're doing division. This is probably division of a 3-digit number. Thank you. I need all the luck I can get. We will get through it though. The more of these you do, the bigger your brain expands. I learned this. Every single day my brain gets bigger and bigger, and I've been having to take medication every day for how much of a headache I get every day now. But it's so worth it. It's so worth it. I do math in my dreams. I do math when I wake up. All the time I'm doing math now. So this is probably a 3-digit number that starts with 8. I could be completely wrong and ruin my chances of getting this right. Or I could be right. If you consider software engineering as working with math, then yeah, I actively work with math. I am also a graduate student in computer science, which it's not specifically math, but I've had to take a lot of math courses related to machine learning, because that's all like linear algebra. I wish I would like to do more advanced math unrelated to computer science. I think that would be very fun. If this ends in 4, 2 can't go here. I really don't think I can get this fast enough. Wait, no. I've been doing this wrong. It's 2 2-digit numbers being divided. Yeah, I've heard that math analysis is very hard. I have this book. I forget the name of the author, but he has a proofs book that's red, and he has a real analysis book that's green, and I really want to get into real analysis. So I'm gonna get his book when he's when that's out. Oh, Cauchy? You talking about Cauchy Schwarz? I know the guy. All I know about Cauchy is the Cauchy-Schwarz theorem or proof, the inequality with vectors. That gave me. I've been talking about that a lot lately. It's actually really funny you bring it up. I think this is a 3-digit number divided by a 2-digit number, and that equal sign is going to be here. The question is what 3-digit number it is? I don't know. There's got to be a 7 in here somewhere. 834 divided by... I got no clue what numbers we're working with. Doesn't compute. Doesn't compute. 7, 14. 7 goes... No, it can't be 7. But we still have a 7 in here. Maybe it's 874. Wait, we don't have 2's here, so maybe this is 44? Wait, for this to be divided by 4, it has to be another 2-digit number. That's not possible. And this starts with this? I started originally with SAT content, but I'm trying to just move towards general math content, fun math content. So problems I find interesting, ideas I find interesting in math, and then math tangential to video games. I've been planning to release one on Minecraft and the concept of infinity in Minecraft, like using set theory to show that Minecraft is like infinite, but like a countable infinite. I have that in mind. And then a bunch of other stuff. I want to do more things where I talk about my experience as a student, especially in the college level, and what that looks like with math. But recently it's just been simple math stuff. It takes a lot of time and it's hard to do content as a student and with a full-time job. But I plan on it. I don't plan on quitting yet. 4 times blank is equal to a triple digit number. This does not make sense. It's more likely... It's more likely that there's 2 divisions here. Please do. Please do. I have a Discord if you have any math recommendations or any ideas or feedback you'd love to give. You can check that out on my channel too. Always looking for more ideas. Through there, I was recommended a different Nerdle challenge that I'll be doing tonight and that I did the other day too, where it's like a logic puzzle game that's a mixture of math and Sudoku. Well, thank you for joining and sticking around. I have an idea that this is several divisions. It's like 88 divided by 8 is 11, but then you'd have to divide again. We know we don't have that. Maybe 84 divided by 4. This is 21. Divided by 7? That doesn't compute. Does the order matter here? 84, maybe I can do... I'm lost on this question. $84 divided by 4 is 21. Which should be divisible... Oh, that's gonna give me 3 though. 84 divided by 4 is 21. What about... We have a 3 in here. Divided by 3 is 8 though. 84 divided by... Yeah, it's hard to do math when it's late, but it does get easier. Think of like your brain hurting as your brain expanding. It's like exercise, right? It's not gonna just be easy immediately. You have to exercise and increase the weights, or maybe if you're somebody that runs, you run further or faster next time. It's the same thing with math. Like, it's natural, it's going to hurt. 6. I think 6 is knocked out of this equation, so it's not one of the options, unfortunately. I feel like we do need to divide by 7. Maybe 84 divided by 7. If it's 21 times 4, then if we do divided by 7, it's 12. And then we can divide by 3. Okay. We got it. Well, thank you, thank you. OBS like went out off and on a bunch of times there. Super sorry. Thank you for the thank you for the compliments on my voice. I work really hard to have a very nice and soothing voice. I do voice exercises every morning, right after waking up. Let's do the harder version of this, which is the quad. This one does give me a little bit of a headache though, I'm gonna be real. It looks fine on the stream. Sorry again about the stream just randomly dropping. I thought when I moved I would have better internet and wouldn't drop as bad, but I need to investigate why OBS just randomly dies. Hey Grayson, welcome back, welcome back. Long time no see. I'm still doing math, as you may notice. Not much has changed. Let's do 8 times 5. This is 40, plus 5 is 45. Let's do 8 times 6 is 48, plus 5 is 53. Okay, top 2 are double-digit answers, bottom 2 are single-digit answers. I'm gonna go for the very top one first. Probably double-digit addition on top. Unless it's subtraction first. We have an 8, 6, and a 3. So let's start with 33 plus 38? Jeez, I hope you're okay. Weren't you the one saying in the chat last time that you were also doing multiple jobs? Or was that somebody else? I don't think this is gonna end in 8. Could end in 6. No. This is the quad Nerdle. So it's 4 at the same time. I am feeling like a little bit of a masochist today. Or a sadist? I don't know. With the 3 in the right spot, the 8 is not on the right spot. Could the 8 be here? And then this is 4, and then this is 6, and this is 1? Yes! Let's go! And we have the first chunk of the second one already done. Would you look at that? Things just fall into the right pieces, or the right places. Either or. It is not addition, so I'm going to assume it is subtraction. We do have an 8 and a 1, so it would be really funny if it was 18 and then the answer was also 18. It's pretty funny, huh? Pretty funny. Okay, I'm going to do the bottom one since we have the most guesses there. We're starting off with multiplication. We don't have another addition, so I'm going to assume it's a double multiplication. Or maybe it's a subtraction? 6 times 3 is 18. You were in the hospital from a heart attack? Are you okay? (48 minus 43 is 5? Nope. What happened to the multiplication symbol? Maybe... At least we got the 3 in the right spot. This is a triple digit number. I'm screwed on this question, y'all. Okay. So 4 times, how do we get to 3 here? 4 times 92 is 368? Can't be right. 3 times 98, or 4 times 98 is 392. Woo! What a rush, what a rush. Okay, okay. Let's see if we can get this part. So the equal sign, we have another triple digit here. But we can narrow stuff on the right side. The ending one can't be 1, 2, 3, 5, or 8, so it can be... Can't be... Yeah, put W's in the chat, put W's in the chat. Be careful spamming though, the bot will kick in. So we could end in a 4. Or we could end in a 9. No worries, no worries. We don't start with... Okay, so what numbers aren't in this one for sure? Have we tried 2 yet? We have tried 2, but we did not get the right position. It looks like another small number, but it is triple digit. So this could be a 1 here, and then this is 8. Does that make sense? This is 164. This is an 8 here, so this will have to be a 9. but 9 can't be here, so this is not 2. Our other option is 7. 7 times 2. This is 168. That's still not right. This could be... 1, 2... We have to get into the triple digits. I guess this doesn't have to be 1. This could be 8. I tried fixing the delay to make it faster, but I think I started having... I wasn't sure if it was giving me issues with OBS. So I decided to put it back to a longer latency. I'm going to investigate what this issue is that OBS keeps dropping out of nowhere, because it doesn't look like I'm lagging. My internet's fine, so maybe it's a YouTube issue. Maybe there's an easy way of fixing it, but if I would like to decrease the latency. I'll look into it for next time so it doesn't happen again. This is... Let's try this. Certainly California. I think that's what you meant. Okay, so we are in the 2.8 something. I think this is 0. This is 7 times... Okay, it's 7D times something. Have a good night, Gray. Thank you for dropping by. Indeed, I am a late night math gamer. It's what you have to do after a very stressful day. More on that in a different stream. I'm gonna go for 72 times 4. This is 280. This is 288. Oh! Guesses in the chat. Guesses in the chat. What are we guessing? I really need to stream a little earlier. I'm on the Pacific side of things, so I guess people on the east side can't really, or the east coast can't really catch me that late. Math is just the de-stressor. It all flows together. So we could do 70 times 4, and then this is 280. That was a pretty good quad Nerdle. That was a pretty good quad Nerdle. Let's do the instant. Okay, we do a little thinking here. We have 2 operators. This is easy. 54 divided by 6 is 9, and you're just going to subtract by 7. Is this easy, or am I just good at this now? Just me? Was that sub 1 minute? Did anybody catch that? 39 seconds! Holy. This is going on the Discord. Excuse me. That is not the button I wanted to press. How do I screenshot again? I think it's this. There we go. Join Discord if you are not in the Light Blue and Lavender Discord. Please join it. We have a lot of fun there. The 2 times a day we post right now, since we're still growing. All right, now that I put that on the Discord, let's get back at it. This was pretty good. This was a pretty good guess. 39 seconds. I think the world record would be like 5 seconds. Let's do the mini buy, and then we can get on to the really fun ones. Equal sign here. We'll do 1 plus we'll do 6 plus 9 is 15. So we start 6 for both. Equal sign here, it's probably going to be multiplication. Let's multiply by 4 and get 24. So it's 6 times 8 is equal to 48 is my next guess. Okay, so this is 6 minus, no, division. So it's 6, we have a 4 and an 8, and we do end in an 8, and there are 2 8s. 8's, I'm gonna say this is 64 divided by 8. Was that another sub 1 minute? Maybe it was a little bit more than a minute. I don't know. That was pretty good though. Let's do speed. Okay. 6 plus 6. We have a plus. We have an equal sign. It's 2-digit addition. No. It's. Huh? Oh, we don't have all the stuff. Okay, this is probably. I'm going to guess. Maybe this? 3 times 8 is 24, plus 24 plus 4 is 28. We have a 5 in there. It's still a good guess. So we do start with a 3. Multiplication and addition are swapped. We don't end in an 8, and there's only one 8. Let's put the 8 here. Let's put the 5 here. This is 43. This could work. Okay. We got the small penalty, but that's fine. 3 plus blank times 8 is equal to 4 can't go here, 3 can't go here, 3 must go here. This is 8, 16, 24, 27. That can't be right. This has to be 4. And then this is 35. Not my best. Still pretty good. A minute and 40? Eh. Okay. I have cross Nerdle, 2D Nerdle, or targets. I'm going to do cross Nerdle, then I'm going to do targets, and then I'm going to do 2D Nerdle. Give me 1 second. I'm going to keep chewing on my peanut butter bar. I'm going to stare at the cross Nerdle in the meanwhile. All right, I'm back. Where do we start here? A double-digit number that's a teen minus 3 ends in 1 is probably 14. Oh, excuse me. There we go. 14 minus 3, so this will be 1. Equal sign is probably here. Equal sign is probably here. Thank you for having me back. A double-digit number plus 9 is equal to 7. Not much information we can get there, unfortunately. This is 4 is equal to 4. This must be 2, so this has to be a division symbol. 3 times 2 divided by blank plus blank is 8. Not much info we can get. This is equal to 24. No. This is equal to 28. This is equal to 2. This is equal to that. This must be 6. 3 times 2 divided by 2 plus 6. No, 3 times 2 is 6. Divided by 3 is 2 plus 6 is 8. Okay, okay. 2 times blank is 6, is 3. This must be the equal going up, 37, so this must be 28. This is an equal sign here. 9 minus 2 divided by 3 is 2 over 3. We need to get it to 6. 2 over 3 times 9. Because you can also rearrange this, it doesn't really matter. 3 times 9 is 27. No, what the heck? Yeah, it is. 3 times 9 is 27. We can't do. No, it's it's 9 times 2 divided by 3. Hey, that bad math is from the long day of work. 2 times 9 is 18 divided by 3 is 6. This is correct. This must be 9. That equal 9. Then this is probably subtraction. 39 minus 3 is equal to 36. That's the fastest I've ever done this, and I didn't have to look ahead either. It's a little bit of tricky math, but you catch on to some of this stuff. Let's do targets before I go to 2D Nerdle. If you're not familiar with targets, you want to basically do an algebraic equation to get to the target in the middle. You can use any of these numbers only once. So 14 is 7 times 2. We don't have 7 here though. It's also 12 plus 2, which we can get from 5 minus 3. See how it works? It only gets harder. 26. 11 plus 12 plus 3. 79 is 80 minus 1. It's also 12 times 6 is 72. If we can get a 7. 12 times 6 is, no, not that. 12 times 6 is 72 plus 10 minus 3, 79. Okay. 39 is 3 times 13, or it's 40 minus 1. We don't have access to 1 here though. It's also 9 times 5 minus 6. $92 is going to be a little harder. $92 is 100 minus 8. I don't think we can form 100 here though. It's also 60 plus 32, which is 8 times 4. But I don't think we can get 4 here. Yes, we can. Yes, we can. It's 8 times 9 minus 5. Okay, then 147. 147 will be 180 minus 33. I don't think we're going to get 33 here though. It's 120 plus 27, which is 9 times 3. 11 times 11 is 121. I just need 4 more. We don't have 4 more. This is 26 away. We still don't have access to 26. I think 60 times 8 minus 6 is 120. It's gotta be an easier way. Five times 11 is 55 plus 8 times 9, still 20 away. Maybe 9 times 11 plus 5 times 8. Still need 8 more. What if we do plus 60? We need to go down by 11, which we have. No, it's down by 12? What if we do 9 times 8 plus 60? Then we need 15, which we still don't have. Dang it. What if we do 6 times 11 plus 60? Still need about 21, which we can't form. 8 times 11 plus 60? 8 times 9? Wait. And then we just do minus 6 minus 5. No, give me 5, give me 5. Yes! Yes! One more. One more of these, just one more. 840. Oh no. Wait, that's easy. It's 8 times 10 plus 8 times 6 minus 1? 6 minus 1. Okay, we have the biggest number taken care of. Now we need 41, which will be... Five times 8 plus 1. I don't see us getting that though. Could be 82 divided by 2? No. 42 is actually this. We just have to subtract 1. Then 51 is 5 times 7 minus 5, which is minus 6 plus 1. Then 190 is 80 plus 10 times 8. We need an additional 30? No. Maybe 80 times 7 minus 6? 8 minus 6? Still need an additional 30. 80 plus, we need to get 110. Wait, I think we can get 11. Can we get 11? 13, we can get to 12. Wait, we can do 6 times 2 minus 1? 6 times 8. Huh? How did we get 2 again? $110 is 10 times 11. Yeah, maybe that's not it. 190 is 19 times 10? We can actually do that with 8 plus 7 plus 6 minus 1? No. 8 plus 6. 190 is 45 times 4. I don't think we got that number here though. I'm kind of poofed on how to get 190. We could try for 270 and subtract 80. 270 is 9 times 30. I don't see how we get 9 here though. $110 is 10 times 11, or 5 times 2 times 11. See ya. Thanks for sticking around, Stinger. Kind of stuck on this question. I don't want to be stuck on it for the rest of the night either. Let's go do some 2D Nerdle. I might call it quits tonight after this. Looks like they almost solved all of this for us. 10 divided by 5 times 2 is 5. Okay. 5 minus 2 is 3, plus blank is blank. Could be 9. Nope. Five minus 2 is 3 plus 3, so this must be 6. Let's keep that there, move this here. Blank times blank divided by blank is 2. Could be... Music ended. Let me go restart it. There we go. 6 times... 4? 4 isn't one of these. I'm making some bad guesses. I think this is 3 times blank divided by blank is 2. It's 3 times 6 divided by 9. 12 is in the wrong spot, so it has to be one of these two. 4 is in the wrong spot, so it has to be one of these two. Ten plus 3 is 13, minus 12 could be 1, but could be 1. It's not minus 12. Wait, I should have known that. So it can only be one of these two. Now this, right? Okay. There's a little trick here. 12 plus blank minus blank is 6. $12 plus 1. These two swap and these two swap. Okay, let's go level 2. I see. What is the easiest direction here? 11 minus blank plus blank is equal to a blank. No, we'll go to top way. And this must swap with this. And then this must have been one of these two. Blank minus blank. I imagine this is going to be addition. Plus 10. So it needs to equal 1. Two numbers that are within 1 of each other. Could be 7 and 6. Could be an 11 and 10. We have no reason to think that though. It does say 7 is in this spot, so I'm going to think... No, it's not 7 and 6. So 7 can't go here. This must be the spot for 7. 5 must go here. 12 is not here. 2 must go here then. harder with the operators. Blank, blank 7, blank 2 is equal to 2. This could be 5. We don't have a 5. Could be, because we maybe divided by 2? No. I don't know what operator could go there. Oh, we can do this one. 2 blank 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3, well, we don't know if this is multiplication. Definitely not subtraction. Okay. This goes up here. This must be division here, and this must be division 2. Then these two must swap. 2 plus 5 is 7 minus 3 is 4. This must be 12. That was right? I said it was in this row though. Oh, I guess because the 7 is already here. 6 must go here. 10 minus... it's probably 9, and then these two swap. Alrighty. We're going to finish it off with level 3. Okay, blank plus blank minus 7 is 11. We need 18. It's going to be 12 plus 6. 12 plus 6. We got that row. Next easiest one is this one with operators. 10 blank 3 blank 5 is 6. 10 times 3 divided by 5 is 6. This addition symbol. Addition must go here. Addition must go here. Division must go here. This must go there. Well, I'm glad it didn't go through. 9 minus 5 is 4. Plus blank is 12. Have to be plus 7? No, it'd have to be 8. 10. It's probably here. Ah, 10 goes down here, dang it. Then this must be... like 3 minus 3? It's a little odd. Okay, we'll go this way. Blank minus 10 plus 12, negative 1, so this has to be 9 down here. This has to be this, and now it's just swapping it. 4 divided by 3, probably times, and then swap these two. And so, my friends, to all my amazing viewers, I am tired, and I will be ending it here tonight. But if you do enjoy this content, please subscribe and like and watch my other content, and I will do this more often if enough people ask, because I do enjoy doing this at the end of my day and just talking with people. So thank you for sticking around. Sorry for the short stream, but if you really do like it, expect it more. Have a good night, y'all, and remember to do math in your dreams.